StarTech.com manufactures a number of floor-standing racks and various rack accessories. We also carry a large selection of wall-mounted racks, including open-framed, enclosed, and hinged models. Our enclosed wall-mountable racks come in both fixed and hinged options. All of our enclosed racks are pre-assembled, built with heavy-duty commercial-grade SPCC cold-rolled steel for maximum durability, and have lockable vented doors and lockable removable side panels to help protect critical network equipment from damage and prevent unauthorized access. Included are 2 pairs of keys, a mountable 10-inch deep shelf, hook and loop fasteners, and cage nuts and screws. For the hinged models, the front door could be installed to open on either side, while the hinged rear door could be locked closed with the included keys or opened with its hinges capable of rotating 180 degrees. The rack could be installed inverted to allow the hinge door to open the other direction. These racks support up to 200 pounds of mountable equipment for greater flexibility and offer adjustable mounting rails to accommodate different sized equipment. They have dual 120mm fan mounts on both the top and bottom of the rack for optionally adding additional cooling and convenient cable management cutouts. StarTech.com offers various models with different U-heights and depth capabilities for greater mounting flexibility. We also carry enclosed vertical mount options for a low-profile racking solution. As the IT pro's choice for over 30 years, StarTech.com offers a risk-free performance warranty and free lifetime 24-hour technical support.